In this tutorial, we will see how to use image component in our Next.js. So for this thing, first I am going to use here React fragment, and here I am going to import one image. I can also import directly. First let me import that image in such a style. I'm just going to type @ inside apps we have images, and here I am going to use that first image, which is bookdoc.jpg. So here I am going to use that image. Source is equal to, here I have to write curly braces, image1. Now I have to write here src. If I save it, you will see it is here, it is showing that image. We have that image. We have written here that this image tag is for HTML. In our Next.js, we have its own image tag which will be imported here. I am just going to import image from next/images, and here for the second time I am going to use image. Now I don't need to write .src because we have that tag which is from Next.js. So that's why we don't need to point out that it is source. Now if I save it, you will see we have the same output.